Living in a beautiful home, surrounded by nature, is a dream for many. But what if your dream home comes with a septic tank system? Meet John. Like many homeowners, John dreaded his annual septic tank pumping. The inconvenience, the odors, and not to mention the hefty $500 bill each time. And when his sister faced a septic overflow costing over $3,000, the worry about septic tank maintenance grew even more. But then, John discovered a game changer, Septifix, a tiny tab that transformed his septic tank care. Just one of these Septifix tabs flushed down the toilet each month. And voila! It breaks down and eliminates all organic sludge and eradicates any unpleasant smells. Since using these miraculous Septifix tabs, John's septic system runs smoothly. No more expensive pumpers, no more foul odors. And the best part? He's saving thousands of dollars. Are you ready to revolutionize your septic tank maintenance? Check out these tiny Septifix tabs today. Click the link in the pinned comment and in the description of this video for more information and start saving on your septic system now. Don't let septic tank worries hold you back. With just one flush a month of Septifix, you can enjoy a hassle-free, odor-free home. Try it now and save thousands.